Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection on Instagram app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to Instagram and you can click. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.